Space exploration is humanity's greatest adventure. We left Earth to explore the unknown. We landed on the moon, a giant leap for humankind. Now, two nations have lunar bases, China and the USA. They are writing new chapters in space exploration. These bases represent dreams. They show what we can achieve by reaching for the stars. We're learning more about the moon than ever before. China's moon base is called Chang'e Lunar Research Base. It's located near the moon's south pole. This area is important because it might have water ice. The base is designed to be self-sustaining. It has advanced energy generation systems. It utilizes lunar resources to support astronauts. It's a remarkable feat of engineering. From their base, China is making incredible discoveries. They are studying the moon's geology. They have found new minerals and evidence of the moon's volcanic past. One exciting project is their lunar rover, Yutu-2. It explores craters and gathers valuable data. These findings help us understand the moon's formation and evolution. Section 4. The American return to the moon. The USA has returned to the moon with the Artemis program. Their new base is called Artemis Base Camp. It will be located near the moon's south pole, not far from the Chinese base. The Artemis Base Camp is designed for long-term stays. It will have living quarters, science labs, and a lunar terrain vehicle. It's a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. Section 5. Collaboration in the cosmos. Both China and the USA are achieving amazing things on the moon. Their discoveries benefit all of humanity. As we explore space, cooperation is essential. By working together, we can overcome challenges and share knowledge. The moon is just the beginning. Our journey into space is far from over.